Welcome to Texas Roll-Off, your trusted partner for hassle-free dumpster rentals in the Lone Star State. With a commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, we make waste disposal easy and convenient. We bring years of expertise to the table and understand the unique needs of businesses and residents when it comes to waste management. Whether it's a home renovation, a construction project, or a big cleanup, our team is here to assist you. We offer a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project. We have the perfect size for your specific needs. Every job is just the right size for Texas Roll-Off. We believe in providing top-notch services at competitive prices, as dumpster rentals should not break the bank. We offer cost-effective solutions without sacrificing quality and make sure your project stays on budget. Our online booking system at www.texasrolloff.com makes renting a dumpster a breeze. Visit our website, choose your size, and schedule your drop-off and pickup. It's that easy. Have questions or need assistance? Our friendly and knowledgeable team is just a phone call away at 409-923-8850. With Texas Roll-Off, we make your waste management a hassle-free experience.